Ram Ram Ram. Hritpurvaka Namaskaraha. Welcome to class 67 of Learn to Chant Bhagavad Gita webinar. Like you know, in the previous session, we have completed revision, that is Punaravartanam of chapter 12, Bhakti Yoga. And many of you chanted, in fact, I think around 56 to 60 of you got a chance to chant last time. But there were still many of them remaining who could not chant due to paucity of time. Some of you have sent me emails that you would want to revise the 12th chapter in today's class. So today, after I commence the 13th chapter, that is Kshetra Kshetrajna Vibhaga Yoga, and after we learn a few verses, the last few minutes of the webinar will be dedicated to giving those attendees an opportunity who could not chant last time. So the first preference is for those who have sent me an email during the course of the last week and today, saying that you did not chant and you would like to chant. So I would be calling out their names first. In case you have registered under a different name and you have mailed me from a different mail ID, when I call out your name, please send me a message in the questions tab that you have registered under a different name so that I can call out that name. And we will see how many others also can chant this class. So the revision individual chanting would be again only of the 12th chapter, but we will learn the verses of the 13th chapter today. A warm welcome once again, and welcome to all our panelists also who are present today to help out with the Anucharanam. Let us begin. Gururev gatir gurumev bhaje Gurunaiva sahasmi namo gurave Na gurof paramam shishurasmi guroho Matirasti gurau mama pahi guro Narayanan namaskritya naran chaiva narottamam Devim sarasvatim vyasam tato jayamudirayet Vasudeva sutam devam kamsa chanuramardanam Devaki paramanandam Krishnam vande jagadgurum Parthaya pratibodhitam bhagavata Narayanena swayam Vyasena grachitam purana munina Madhye mahabharatam Advaitamritavarshinim bhagavatim Ashtadashaadhyayinim Ambatvam-anusandadhami Bhagavad-gite Bhavadveshinim Namostute Vyasa-vishala-buddhe Pullaravindayata-patra-netra Yena tvaya bharata-taila-purnaha Prajvalito jnanamaya pradipaha Mukam karoti vachalam Pangullanghayate girim Yat kripatamaham vande Paramanandamadhavam Sarvopanishado gavaha Dogdha gopalanandanaha Partho vatsas sudhir bhokta Dugdham geetamritam mahat Shantakaram bhujagashayanam Padmanabham suresham Vishwadharam gaganasadrisham Meghavarnam shubhangam Lakshmikantam kamalanayanam yogibhirdhyanagamyam वन्दे विष्णुं भवभयहरं सर्वलोकैकनाथम् यं ब्रह्मा वरुणेन्द्ररुद्रमरुतः स्तुन्वन्ति दिव्यैस्तवैः वेदैः साङ्गपदक्रमोपनिषदैः गायन्ति यं सामगाः ध्यानावस्थिततद्गतेन मनसा पश्यन्ति यं योगिनः यस्यान्तन्न विदुः सुरासुरगणाः देवाय तस्मै नमः। धृतराष्ट्र उवाच धर्मक्षेत्रे कुरुक्षेत्रे समवेतायुयुत्सवः मामकाः पाण्डवाश्चैव किमकुर्वत सञ्जय। Let us begin Trayodashodhyayah, that is the 13th chapter. It is called Kshetra Kshetrajna Vibhaga Yogah. So Kshetra here refers to the body and Kshetrajna refers to the soul. So the one who knows the Kshetra, that is, he is referred to as the Kshetrajna. And in this chapter, Bhagavan Shri Krishna explains the difference to Arjuna between the Kshetra, that is the body, and the Kshetrajna, that is the knower of the Kshetra, the soul. And he also explains certain Sattvika Gunaha, that is very desirable qualities. In the previous chapter itself, we learnt many of them, Manopamanayos Tulyaha, Sukha Dukhe Kritva, and Shitoshna Sukha Dukkeshu, Samasanga Vivarjitaha, Tulya Ninda Stutir Mauni. So all these, how one needs to be balanced and have and take any of these dualities like pain, pleasure, heat, cold, censor and praise with equanimity, with a balanced mind. In this chapter, after describing the difference between Kshetra and Kshetrajna, Bhagavan goes on to describe many other qualities which are desirable in humankind. So let us begin this chapter. Suvarna Sudagoni Bhagini, please unmute and share your webcam. Om Shri Paramatmane Namaha.
Om Shri Paramatmane Namaha. Om Shri Paramatmane Namaha.
Atha Trayodashodhyayah.
Atha Trayodashodhyayah. Atha Trayodashodhyayah.
Kshetra Kshetrajna Vibhaga Yogah.
Kshetra Kshetrajna Vibhaga Yogah. Kshetra Kshetrajna Vibhaga Yogah.
Before we continue, some of them have said they are not able to hear properly. Is that an issue only for a few of you, or is it like an issue which many of you are facing? Are you able to hear me? If you could just send me a message and let me know if you're able to hear me, then I can continue. Yes, many of them are saying that they are able to hear. Okay. Okay, most of you have said you're able to hear. So let's continue. Thank you very much. Om Shri Paramatmane Namaha. Atha Trayodashodhyayah. Kshetra Kshetrajna Vibhaga Yogah.
Om Shri Paramatmane Namaha. Atha Trayodashodhyayah. क्षेत्रक्षेत्रज्ञविभागयोगः।
उत्तमम्। श्रीभगवानुवाच
श्रीभगवानुवाच श्रीभगवानुवाच
इदं शरीरं कौन्तेय
इदं शरीरं कौन्तेय इदं शरीरं कौन्तेय
क्षेत्रमित्यभिधीयते
क्षेत्रमित्यभिधीयते क्षेत्रमित्यभिधीयते
एतद्यो वेत्ति तं प्राहुः
एतद्यो वेत्ति तं प्राहुः एतद्यो वेत्ति तं प्राहुः
क्षेत्रज्ञ इति तद्विदः
क्षेत्रज्ञ इति तद्विदः क्षेत्रज्ञ इति तद्विदः.
Okay, so we have a question. Is the first verse different? So KVS Iyer Mahodayah from Arjuna. So yes, so that is what we call a Pathantara. That is in a few versions of the Bhagavad Gita, there is another verse as the first verse of the 13th chapter. That is Arjuna Uvacha Prakritim Purusham Chaiva, if I am not wrong. That is the first verse as given in a few versions of the Bhagavad Gita. But in the version which we are following, we follow this this as the first verse. That is Shri Bhagavan Uvacha. In the other version, this would be the second verse. Idam Shariram Kaunteya is given as the second verse of the 13th chapter. Now that is just a different version. Both are right. But even in my childhood, when I learned from my guru, and even now in Vyoma, we are following this version where we do not have that particular verse. So we start with this verse of the 13th chapter. So if others have that verse, you could start with that verse also. It is not wrong. It's just a different version. Yes, there are two versions, and we are following this version. Like I said, I was taught this version by my guru, and also we follow this version in Vyoma currently, and in Gita Govinda Samskrita Sangha where I learned. So which is why I'm following this version. But I acknowledge that there is another verse in a few other versions which is chanted as the first chapter, which is a verse by Arjuna. I hope that is clear. Now here Bhagavan Uvacha, Bha is Mahaprana. Kshetramityabhidhiyate. Bhi and Dhi Mahaprana. And please note this word etadyo veti. It is not veti, it is veti. There is a t here. It's a sanyuktaksharam. Two tas are there. So veti. That should be heard clearly. And shariram kaunteya. You can combine the sandhi and chant it as sharirang kaunteya instead of shariram kaunteya. Both are right. We will repeat this verse. Shri Bhagavan idam sharirang kaunteya kshetramityabhidhiyate.
Shri Bhagavan idam sharirang kaunteya kshetramityabhidhiyate. Shri Bhagavan idam sharirang kaunteya kshetramityabhidhiyate.
एतद्यो वेत्ति तं प्राहुः क्षेत्रज्ञ इति तद्विदः.
एतद्यो वेत्ति तं प्राहुः क्षेत्रज्ञ इति तद्विदः. एतद्यो वेत्ति तं प्राहुः क्षेत्रज्ञ इति तद्विदः.
श्रीभगवानुवाच इदं शरीरं कौन्तेय क्षेत्रमित्यभिधीयते. एतद्यो वेत्ति तं प्राहुः क्षेत्रज्ञ इति तद्विदः।
श्रीभगवानुवाच इदं शरीरं कौन्तेय क्षेत्रमित्यभिधीयते एतद्यो वेत्ति तं प्राहुः क्षेत्रज्ञ इति तद्विदः।
उत्तमम्. Next was also Suvarna Sudaguni Bhagini. क्षेत्रज्ञं चापि मां विद्धि
क्षेत्रज्ञं चापि मां विद्धि क्षेत्रज्ञं चापि मां विद्धि
सर्वक्षेत्रेषु भारत
सर्वक्षेत्रेषु भारत सर्वक्षेत्रेषु भारत
क्षेत्रक्षेत्रज्ञयोर्ज्ञानम्
क्षेत्रक्षेत्रज्ञयोर्ज्ञानम् क्षेत्रक्षेत्रज्ञयोर्ज्ञानम्
यत्तज्ज्ञानं मतं मम
यत्तज्ज्ञानं मतं मम यत्तज्ज्ञानं मतं मम.
So in the previous verse, Bhagavan said, Idam shariram kaunteya kshetram iti abhidhiyate etadyo vetti tam prahuhu kshetrajna iti tadvidaha. It means, Idam shariram, this body, Kaunteya, O son of Kunti, Arjuna, kshetram iti abhidhiyate, this body is called kshetram. Etadyo vetti, the one who knows this, the body, that is called kshetrajna. That is the one who knows the body. And next verse Bhagavan is saying, Sarva kshetreshu, in all the kshetras, that is in all the bodies, in all the forms, kshetrajnam mam vidhi. So I am the kshetrajna, that is I am the soul in all the bodies, which means Bhagavan is saying that Bhagavan is the Atman, that is the soul in all the bodies, and that soul is called as the Kshetrajna. And this difference between Kshetra and Kshetrajna, that is what one has to know when one attains self-realization. So again we will chant this. Kshetrajnam chapi mam vidhi sarvakshetreshu bharata.
क्षेत्रज्ञं चापि मां विद्धि सर्वक्षेत्रेषु भारत क्षेत्रज्ञं चापि मां विद्धि सर्वक्षेत्रेषु भारत
क्षेत्रक्षेत्रज्ञयोर्ज्ञानम् यत्तज्ज्ञानं मतं मम.
क्षेत्रक्षेत्रज्ञयोर्ज्ञानम् यत्तज्ज्ञानं मतं मम क्षेत्रक्षेत्रज्ञयोर्ज्ञानम् यत्तज्ज्ञानं मतं मम.
Here kshetrajnam chapi, while combining you can combine the sandhi and chant it as kshetrajnam chapi mam vidhi hrasva swara, so please chant it as a hrasva, don't prolong it. Bharata, Bharata refers to Arjuna. Bharata again is a hrasva swara, that is a short vowel. Kshetra kshetra jnayor jnanam, there is a ra here between yo and jna, that should be chanted clearly. Kshetra kshetra jnayor jnanam yatta jnanam matam mama. Kshetrajnam chapi mam vidhi sarvakshetreshu bharata kshetrajnayor jnanam yattajnanam matam mama.
क्षेत्रज्ञं चापि मां विद्धि सर्वक्षेत्रेषु भारत क्षेत्रक्षेत्रज्ञयोर्ज्ञानं यत्तज्ज्ञानं मतं मम.
उत्तमं, धन्यवादाः भगिनी. Next verse, Rama Shankar Bhagini. Tat kshetram yachya drikcha.
तत् क्षेत्रय्यच्च यादृक् तत् क्षेत्रय्यच्च यादृक्
यद्विकारी यतश्च यत्
यद्विकारी यतश्च यत् यद्विकारी यतश्च यत्
स च यो यत्प्रभावश्च
स च यो यत्प्रभावश्च स च यो यत्प्रभावश्च
तत्समासेन मे शृणु
तत्समासेन मे शृणु तत्समासेन मे शृणु.
Here tat kshetram yaccha, so anuswara followed by ya. You can chant it as tat kshetrai yaccha or anuswara completely. Tat kshetram yaccha, both are correct. Yadrik cha, cha is a hrasva swara, so please keep it short. And sachayo yat prabhavascha, bha is mahaprana. Again cha is a short vowel here. Tat samasena me shrunu. Here this is also a short vowel. Tat kshetrai yaccha yadrikcha yadvikari yatascha yat.
तत् क्षेत्रय्यच्च यादृक् यद्विकारी यतश्च यत् तत् क्षेत्रय्यच्च यादृक् यद्विकारी यतश्च यत्
स च यो यत्प्रभावश्च तत्समासेन मे शृणु
स च यो यत्प्रभावश्च तत्समासेन मे शृणु स च यो यत्प्रभावश्च तत्समासेन मे शृणु
तत्क्षेत्रै यच्च यादृक् च यद्विकारी यतश्च यत् स च यो यत्प्रभावश्च तत्समासेन मे शृणु
तत्क्षेत्रय्यच्च यादृक् यद्विकारी यतश्च यत् स च यो यत्प्रभावश्च तत्समासेन मे शृणु.
Uttamam. Next verse also. ऋषिभिर्बहुधा गीतम्
ऋषिभिर्बहुधा गीतम् ऋषिभिर्बहुधा गीतम्
छन्दोभिर्विविधैः पृथक्
छन्दोभिर्विविधैः पृथक् छन्दोभिर्विविधैः पृथक्
ब्रह्मसूत्रपदैश्चैव
ब्रह्मसूत्रपदैश्चैव ब्रह्मसूत्रपदैश्चैव
हेतुमद्भिर्विनिश्चितैः
हेतुमद्भिर्विनिश्चितैः हेतुमद्भिर्विनिश्चितैः.
Uttamam. Here please see Rishibhirbahudha Geetam. Bha Mahaprana, Dha Mahaprana. Here Chandobhirvividhai Prithak. Chandobhihi Vividhaihi Prithak. Many Mahapranas. Cha is Mahaprana. Here Bhi Vividhaihi Prithak. Each and every Mahaprana should be heard clearly. And here many Sanyuktaksharani also. Chandobhirvividhai prithak. The ra here also should be heard clearly. Vividhaihi, a visarga followed by pa, upadhmaniya. So we don't chant the visarga completely, we chant it as vividhai prithak. Then next line, hetu madbhir vinishchitaihi, bha mahaprana, and there is a ra also before the va. Hetu madbhir vinishchitaihi. So all letters should be chanted clearly. ऋषिभिर्बहुधा गीतं छन्दोभिर्विविधैः पृथक्
ऋषिभिर्बहुधा गीतं छन्दोभिर्विविधैः पृथक् ऋषिभिर्बहुधा गीतं छन्दोभिर्विविधैः पृथक्
ब्रह्मसूत्रपदैश्चैव हेतुमद्भिर्विनिश्चितैः
ब्रह्मसूत्रपदैश्चैव हेतुमद्भिर्विनिश्चितैः ब्रह्मसूत्रपदैश्चैव हेतुमद्भिर्विनिश्चितैः
उत्तमं भगिनि ऋषिभिर्बहुधा गीतं छन्दोभिर्विविधैः पृथक् ब्रह्मसूत्रपदैश्चैव हेतुमद्भिर्विनिश्चितैः
ऋषिभिर्बहुधा गीतं छन्दोभिर्विविधैः पृथक् ब्रह्मसूत्रपदैश्चैव हेतुर्मद्भिर्विनिश्चितैः
Tatra, it is not heturmadbhir, it is hetumadbhirvinishchitaihi.
हेतुमद्भिर्विनिश्चितैः
Tamam. So there is the ra, the placement wherever there is Sanyuktakshara, please note the Sanyuktakshara and chant clearly. Dhanyavadaha bhagini. Next one, Neha. Mahabhutanyahangkarah.
महाभूतान्यहङ्कारः महाभूतान्यहङ्कारः
बुद्धिरव्यक्तमेव च
बुद्धिरव्यक्तमेव च बुद्धिरव्यक्तमेव च
इन्द्रियाणि दशैकञ्च
इन्द्रियाणि दशैकञ्च इन्द्रियाणि दशैकञ्च
पञ्चचेन्द्रियगोचराः
पञ्चचेन्द्रियगोचराः पञ्चचेन्द्रियगोचराः
Here dashaikam cha in the second line you can combine and chant it as dashaikancha instead of the anuswara completely. Both ways are correct. You can chant dashaikam cha or dashaikancha. Mahabhutanyahankarah, bha is mahaprana. Here buddhiravyaktam, so dhi here is mahaprana. Mahabhutanyahankarah बुद्धिरव्यक्तमेव च
महाभूतान्यहङ्कारः बुद्धिरव्यक्तमेव च महाभूतान्यहङ्कारः बुद्धिरव्यक्तमेव च
इन्द्रियाणि दशैकञ्च पञ्चचेन्द्रियगोचराः
इन्द्रियाणि दशैकञ्च पञ्चचेन्द्रियगोचराः इन्द्रियाणि दशैकञ्च पञ्चचेन्द्रियगोचराः
महाभूतान्यहङ्कारः बुद्धिरव्यक्तमेव च इन्द्रियाणि दशैकञ्च पञ्चचेन्द्रियगोचराः
महाभूतान्यहङ्कारः बुद्धिरव्यक्तमेव च इन्द्रियाणि दशैकञ्च पञ्चचेन्द्रियगोचराः।
उत्तमं. नेक्स्ट वर्स नेहा. इच्छा द्वेषः सुखं दुःखम्.
इच्छा द्वेषः सुखं दुःखम् इच्छा द्वेषः सुखं दुःखम्
संघातश्चेतना धृतिः.
संघातश्चेतना धृतिः संघातश्चेतना धृतिः
एतत् क्षेत्रं समासेन.
एतत् क्षेत्रं समासेन एतत् क्षेत्रं समासेन
सविकारमुदाहृतम्.
सविकारमुदाहृतम् सविकारमुदाहृतम्
Here please note multiple mahaprana again. Ichha, cha is mahaprana. Here dveshah sukham, dveshah sukham. When you combine visarga sakara sandhi. So ichha dveshah sukham duhkham. Note the pronunciation of the word duhkham. The ha should be heard between du and ka. Ichha dveshah sukham duhkham. Here also Sukham Dukkham, you can combine the sandhi and chant it as Sukham Dukkham. Instead of Sukham, the Anuswara completely, you can chant it as Sukham Dukkham. Both are right. Sanghatashchetana Dhritihi. So many Mahapranas are there and each one should be chanted clearly. Etat Kshetram Samasena. Na is Ahrasvaswara. Savikaram Udahritam. इच्छा द्वेषः सुखं दुःखं संघातश्चेतना धृतिः.
इच्छा द्वेषः सुखं दुःखं संघातश्चेतना धृतिः इच्छा द्वेषः सुखं दुःखं संघातश्चेतना धृतिः
एतत् क्षेत्रं समासेन सविकारमुदाहृतम्.
एतत् क्षेत्रं समासेन सविकारमुदाहृतम् एतत् क्षेत्रं समासेन सविकारमुदाहृतम्
इच्छा द्वेषः सुखं दुःखं संघातश्चेतना धृतिः एतत् क्षेत्रं समासेन सविकारमुदाहृतम्.
इच्छा द्वेषः सुखं दुःखं संघातश्चेतना धृतिः एतत् क्षेत्रं समासेन सविकारमुदाहृतम्.
उत्तमं. धन्यवादाः नेहा. नेक्स्ट वन चित्रा त्यागराजन भगिनी. अमानित्वमदम्भित्वम्. अमानित्वमदम्भित्वम्.
अमानित्वमदभित्वम्
It is amanitvam adambhitvam. So note the letters clearly. Amanitvam adambhitvam. Amanitvam adambhitvam. Amanitvam adambhitvam.
अमानित्वमदभित्वम्. Is it okay? अमानित्वमदभित्वम् अमानित्वम् अदम्भित्वम् अमानित्वम् अदम्भित्वम्. Is it right?
We should not split. No, we should not split it as we split it that way. Amanitvamadambhitvam.
अमानित्वम् अदम्भित्वम् अमानित्वम् अदम्भित्वम्.
There is
Still
a
not okay,
verb
ma'am?
between da and ta also. It is amanitvamadambhitvam. Amanitvamadambhitvam.
अमानित्वम् अदम्भित्वम् अमानित्वम् अदम्भित्वम्. Is it okay?
Ahimsa kshantirarjavam.
अहिंसा क्षान्तिरार्जवम् अहिंसा क्षान्तिरार्जवम्.
Acharyopasanam shaucham.
आचार्योपासनं शौचम् आचार्योपासनं शौचम्.
स्थैर्यमात्मविनिग्रहः.
स्थैर्यमात्मविनिग्रहः स्थैर्यमात्मविनिग्रहः.
Here there are multiple qualities which are described by Bhagavan. Maybe next class I'll just go through them very briefly, because this class I also want to leave some the last few minutes for giving those of you who have emailed me a chance to chant the 12th chapter. Please note the words clearly. Amanitvam, adambhitvam, ahimsa, kshantirarjavam, acharyopasanam, shaucham, स्थैर्यमात्म विनिग्रहः. I hope that's clear. अमानित्वमदम्भित्वम् अहिंसा क्षान्तिरार्जवम्.
अमानित्वमदम्भित्वम् अहिंसा क्षान्तिरार्जवम् अमानित्वमदम्भित्वम् अहिंसा क्षान्तिरार्जवम्.
आचार्योपासनं शौचं स्थैर्यमात्मविनिग्रहः.
आचार्योपासनं शौचं स्थैर्यमात्मविनिग्रहः. आचार्योपासनं शौचं स्थैर्यमात्मविनिग्रहः.
अमानित्वमदम्भित्वम् अहिंसा क्षान्तिरार्जवम् आचार्योपासनं शौचं स्थैर्यमात्मविनिग्रहः.
अमानित्वमदम्भित्वम्
अमानित्वमदम्भित्वम्
अमानित्वमदम्भित्वम् अहिंसा क्षान्तिरार्जवम् आचार्योपासनं शौचं स्थैर्यमात्मविनिग्रहः.
I am not able to hear Chitra Bhagini. Okay, I'm not able to hear Chitra Bhagini. No worries. I don't know. No, that's okay, Bhagini. We'll move to the next verse because we also need to complete at least 2 more verses. I think there's some problem with the connection at your end. No worries. Priyadarshini Bhagini. Before that, I will chant this verse once for all of you, and then we will move to the next verse. Amanitvamadambhitvam ahimsa kshantirarjavam acharyopasanam shaucham स्थैर्यमात्मविनिग्रहः. Next verse, Priyadarshini Bhagini. इन्द्रियार्थेषु वैराग्यम्
इन्द्रियार्थेषु इन्द्रियार्थेषु वैराग्यम् इन्द्रियार्थेषु वैराग्यम्
अनहङ्कार एव च
अनहङ्कार एव च अनहङ्कार एव च
जन्म मृत्युजरा व्याधि
जन्म मृत्युजरा व्याधि जन्म मृत्युजरा व्याधि
दुःखदोषानुदर्शनम्
दुःखदोषानुदर्शनम् दुःखदोषानुदर्शनम्.
Please note here, all of you, we are not supposed to split after Vyadhi. This entire second line, that is two padas, that entire half verse should be chanted together. So we need to chant it as Janma Mrityu Jara Vyadhi Dukkha Doshanu Darshanam. We are not supposed to split after Vyadhi. Because there are multiple words, what we call a Samastapadam, a compound word in Sanskritam. But I split it only because you know, it will be easier for you to note the different words. But now I will chant with the entire line together and request Priyadarshini Bhagini also to follow in the same way. Janma Mrityu Jara Vyadhi Dukkha Doshanu Darshanam.
जन्म मृत्युजरा व्याधि दुःखदोषानुदर्शनम् जन्म मृत्युजरा व्याधि दुःखदोषानुदर्शनम्.
So here Indriyartheshu, tha is Mahaprana, Vyadhi, Dukkha, tha is Mahaprana. Once again the entire verse. Indriyartheshu vairagyam anahankara eva cha janma mrityu jara vyadhi dukkha doshanu darshanam.
इन्द्रियार्थेषु वैराग्यम् अनहङ्कार एव च जन्म मृत्युजरा व्याधि दुःखदोषानुदर्शनम्.
All of you, please note that dhi and kha both are Mahaprana in the second line and both should be heard clearly. Here cha is a hrasva swara, so please do not prolong it. I think we can probably try only the next verse and then we will go to revision of the 12th chapter. Asaktiranabhishvangah
आसक्तिरनभिष्वङ्कः आसक्तिरनभिष्वङ्कः
पुत्रदारगृहादिषु
पुत्रदारगृहादिषु पुत्रदारगृहादिषु
नित्यं च समचित्तत्वम्
नित्यं च समचित्तत्वम् नित्यं च समचित्तत्वम्
इष्टानिष्टोपपत्तिषु
इष्टानिष्टोपपत्तिषु इष्टानिष्टोपपत्तिषु.
Here asaktiranabhishvangah, bha is Mahaprana. Putradara grihadishu, shu is a hrasva, short vowel. And next line also, that is the fourth pada, ishtanishtopapatishu, shu is again a short vowel. Asaktiranabhishvangah putradara grihadishu.
आसक्तिरनभिष्वङ्कः पुत्रदारगृहादिषु आसक्तिरनभिष्वङ्कः पुत्रदारगृहादिषु
नित्यं च समचित्तत्वम् समचित्तत्वम् इष्टानिष्टोपपत्तिषु
नित्यं च समचित्तत्वम् इष्टानिष्टोपपत्तिषु नित्यं च समचित्तत्वम् इष्टानिष्टोपपत्तिषु.
Here nityam and cha you can combine and chant it as nityan cha, the entire verse once. Asaktiranabhishvangah putradara-grihadishu nityam cha samachittatvam ishtanishtopapatishu.
आसक्तिरनभिष्वङ्कः पुत्रदारगृहादिषु नित्यं च समचित्तत्वम् इष्टानिष्टोपपत्तिषु.
Dhanyavadaha Bhagini. So I have already answered this question which some of you have asked me again. The first verse of the 13th chapter, in a few versions you have another verse, Arjuna Uvacha, but we are following this version where it starts from this Shri Bhagavan Uvacha Idam Shariram Kaunteya. That is another version. Some of the books, Gita publications, have that verse. So if that is there, you can chant that also, but because we are taught this by our Guru and in Vyoma we follow this, I am following this version where we start from Idam Shariram Kaunteya. Now I have made a list of names who had asked me, who had sent me an email, who could not chant last time. So I will call out the names. If you can also raise your hands, maybe I can identify you, but first I will be calling out the names of those who sent me an email. And then probably if we have more time, yes, Venkateshwaran Gopala Mahodaya, kripaya unmute karotu, please unmute.
Namaskaram.
Namaste Mahodaya. I will start with the 12th chapter, so let me go back to that slide. Yes.
Om Shri Paramatmane Namaha. Atha Dvadashodhyayah Bhakti Yogah. Arjuna Uvacha Evam Satatayuktaye Bhaktastvam Paryupasate Echapyaksharamavyaktam Tesham ke yoga vittamaha.
Dhanyavadaha Mahodaya. Uttamam. Next, Brinda Shekhar Bhagini. I think two of you were there and one of you only could chant last time. Let me unmute Brinda Shekhar Bhagini. Next verse, please. Whoever didn't chant last time, please chant.
Yeah, Chandrasekhar is chanting. Okay.
Shri Bhagavan Uvacha Maya Veshyamayo Ye Mam Nitya Yukta Upasate Shraddhaya Parayo Petah Te Me Yukta Tamamatah.
Uttamam Mahodaya. Dhanyavadaha. Next, Manju Balaji Mahodaya. You said that I think two of you wanted to chant, both of you couldn't chant last time. Kripaya unmute karotu, Manju Balaji Mahodaya. Please unmute.
Ram Ram
Yes.
Ram. Ram Ram Ram.
Ram Ram.
ये त्वक्षरमनिर्देश्यम् अव्यक्तं पर्युपासते सर्वत्र गमचिन्त्यं च कूटस्थमचलं ध्रुवम्.
Uttamam. Very good. Mahapranaha chanted very well. Next.
My daughter has to
Yes, please.
सन्नियम्येन्द्रियग्रामं सर्वत्र समबुद्धयः ते प्राप्नुवन्ति मामेव सर्वभूतहिते रताः.
Uttamam Bhagini, Atyuttama Ritya Uktam. You chanted really well. Dhanyavadaha. Next, like I said, I'm first giving a chance to those who had sent me an email. Rita Bhagini, कृपया unmute करोतु. Rita Bhagini, yes, yes.
क्लेशोऽधिकतरस्तेषाम् अव्यक्तासक्तचेतसाम् अव्यक्ता हि गतिर्दुःखम् देहवद्भिरवाप्यते.
Uttamam Bhagini. Mahapranas a little more clear, it would be even more perfect. Dhanyavadaha. Next, Sudha Raju Bhagini. You had also sent me an email. Kripaya vadatu.
नमस्ते भगिनी.
Namaste.
ये तु सर्वाणि कर्माणि मयि सन्न्यस्य मत्पराः अनन्येनैव योगेन मां ध्यायन्त उपासते.
Uttamam Bhagini. Uttamaritya Uktam. Dhanyavadaha. Please go back to mute whoever has chanted. Some of you have sent me an email, but I can't find your names here. Let me try and find you. Saroja Krishnan Bhagini. I don't think I'm able to find your name here. Saroja Krishnan Bhagini. You had sent me an email. Yes, I will chant all the verses. I'm sorry I did not chant before we started this. I will chant all the verses of the 13th chapter, whichever we learned today. Let me just finish giving those who did not chant last time, that is those who have sent me an email, a chance. Then I will chant the verses. Sasikala Bhagini, if you have registered with a different name, I wouldn't know. If you have sent me an email from a different account and you have read and here you appear with a different name, please let me know, because I wouldn't know the different name with which you have logged in here. Okay, I could not find Shashikala Bhagini. I could not find Sarkrish Bhagini. Next, Sanjay Mahodayaha, Sanjay Chotai Mahodayaha, please unmute. I see your name here in the attendees. Sanjay Mahodayaha, self-muted iti vadati. Please unmute Mahodaya. Okay, Sanjay Mahodaya also did not unmute. He got an mic issues. No problem, Mahodaya. Next time, Sasikala Bhagini, you have registered as, okay, with a different name. I will find that name here. Yes, Sasikala Bhagini, I could unmute you. Please unmute yourself and chant this. The 6th verse.
Ram Ram Ram.
Ram 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 Bhagini.
ये तु सर्वाणि कर्माणि मयि सन्न्यस्य मत्पराः अनन्येनैव योगेन मां ध्यायन्त उपासते.
Uttamam Bhagini. Dhanyavadaha. Next, Vijay Lakshmi Sarathi Bhagini. Vijay Lakshmi Sarathi Bhagini. Okay, I could not find Vijay Lakshmi Sarathi Bhagini here. Anjali Bhagini. Anjali Mahashabde Bhagini. Okay, can't find your name. Also, if you're with a different name, I wouldn't know. Okay, those who have already chanted last time, I would not be giving a second chance now, because there are many who haven't chanted last time itself who are waiting to chant. So maybe I can take 1 or 2 more and then we'll see in the next class. Panishri Kavirayani Bhagini.
Ram Bhagini.
Ram.
येषामहं समुद्धर्ता मृत्यु संसारसागरात् भवामि न चिरात् पार्थ मय्यावेशितचेतसाम्।
धन्यवादाः भगिनी. उपेंदर हासिया महोदयः, please unmute महोदय. Ram.
Am I audible?
Yes, you are audible, please.
मय्येव मन आदत्स्व मय्य बुद्धिं निवेशय निवशिष्यसि मय्येव अत ऊर्ध्वं न संशयः.
धन्यवादाः महोदय. Few changes. Mayyeva mana adhatsva mayi buddhim. I heard it as maya. I'm not sure if it was the audio issue, but it's mayi buddhim. And here nivasishyasi, the sa and sha differentiation, if it is clearer, it would be better. As in here, nivasishyasi mayyeva ata urdhvam na samshayah. धन्यवादाः.
पुनः एकवारं वदतु.
पुनः वदामि वा? I'll chant once. मय्येव मन आधत्स्व मयि
बुद्धिं निवेशय निवशिष्यसि मय्येव अत ऊर्ध्वं न संशयः. निवशिष्यसि मय्येव अत ऊर्ध्वं.
It is heard as sha. It is first nivasishyasi.
Nivasishyasi.
Yes, sort of.
Nivasishyasi.
The sa and this c and this c are the same. Nivasishyasi. Only the sha here is sha. Otherwise, it is the sarbam sa. Nivasishyasi mayyeva.
निवशिष्यसि मय्येव अत ऊर्ध्वं न संशयः.
धन्यवादाः महोदय. Next, Ujjwala Singhania Bhagini. Next one, please unmute. Ujjwala Singhania Bhagini. It still says self-muted.
Am I audible now?
You are audible, Bhagini.
Ram Bhagini.
Ram. Vadatu.
Atha chittam samadhatum na shaknoshi mayi stiram abhyasa yogena tatah mamikchaptum dhananjaya.
Uttamam Bhagini. Dhanyavadaha.
Dhanyavad.
Shailaja PS Bhagini, next one. कृपया unmute करो तो. The 10th verse Bhagini, you are unmuted.
Namaskaram.
Can't hear you Bhagini.
Am I audible?
No Bhagini. Sorry.
Abhyasepi samarthosi matkarma paramo bhava madarthamapi karmani kurvanti bhavapsyasi.
Dhanyavadaha Bhagini. Very low volume, but I think you chanted it correctly from whatever I could hear. Dhanyavadaha. So what I will do is now I will chant all the new verses which we learned today of the 13th chapter, and don't worry, we will have many more opportunities. So if you have been waiting for a very long time to chant and have not been able to give you a chance, please let me know. I've noted some of you have also sent me in the questions panel. Okay, Sanjay Chotai Mahodaya had a question on verse 19 of chapter 12. Yes. So this is a common question. I will just deal with this and again revise the verses of the 13th chapter. Tulya nindas tutir mauni santushto yena kenachit. So here the word is kenachit. That is, it is ending with a halanta. That is a half akshara. That is a vyanjanam. So like I explained in the pronunciation rules class, a vyanjanam is ardhamatrakam. That is, the time taken to chant a vyanjana is half a matra, half of a hrasvaswara. So when you say a, that is one matra kala. A is two dirghaswaraha. Now a vyanjanam with the halanta is ardhamatra. That is how it should be chanted. So the challenge is that it should also be heard. So if you just chant it as kenachit, the th is not heard at all. So then it would be like you're completely leaving out the letter. So that shouldn't happen. The th, the halanta should be heard clearly. So you chant it as santushto yena kenachit. So it's okay to chant that th like that, or kenachit, that is also okay. Both would be ardhamatra kala itself. So a slight I mean, there is a slight swara heard there, but there is no swara in actually there is no swara there. It is only a vyanjanam. It should not be prolonged to be heard as kena chitta. That is wrong. If it is kena chitta, that would be a hrasva swara. That is one matra kala. But it is kena chit. So I hope the difference is clear. Santushto yena kena chit. So that is how it should be chanted. And some versions you will find it as kenachitu. That tu should not be heard. If it is heard as kenachitu, then the letter should have been tu. That is with the u. That is not there. But sometimes due to regional influences, etc., in some verses, in some versions, when you hear the chanting, u is heard. Please do not chant u like that, like how we chant the ukara. But note the difference and chant it only as a half letter. Kenachit, that's also okay. Or santushto yena kenachit, slightly more, but that is also fine. But do not make it ta or tu or anything like that. Then that would be wrong. I hope the difference is clear, Mahodaya. I think you had sent me an email also regarding this. I hope the difference is clear. Okay, now others have been waiting for the 13th chapter, the first 9 verses. I'm going to quickly chant those. Then we will conclude. You will have more classes to chant, so please excuse me those who could not chant this time. We will give you more chances in the coming weeks. Om Shri Paramatmane Namaha. Atha Trayodashodhyayah Kshetra Kshetrajna Vibhaga Yogah. Shri Bhagavanuvacha Idam Shariram Kaunteya Kshetramityabhidhiyate Etadyo Vetti Tam Prahuhu Kshetrajna iti tadvidaha Kshetrajnam chapi mam vidhi Sarvakshetreshu Bharata Kshetra Kshetrajnayor Jnanam Yattajnanam Matam Mama Tat Kshetrayaccha Yadricha Yadvikari Yatascha Yat Sachayo Yat Prabhavascha Tat Samasena Me Shrunu ऋषिभिर्बहुधा गीतम् छन्दोभिर्विविधैः पृथक् ब्रह्मसूत्रपदैश्चैव हेतुमद्भिर्विनिश्चितैः महाभूतान्यहङ्कारः बुद्धिरव्यक्तमेव च इन्द्रियाणि दशैकञ्च पञ्चचेन्द्रियगोचराः इच्छा द्वेषः सुखं दुःखं सङ्घातश्चेतना धृतिः एतत् क्षेत्रं समासेन सविकारमुदाहृतम् अमानित्वमदम्भित्वम् अहिंसा क्षान्तिरार्जवम् आचार्योपासनं शौचं स्थैर्यमात्मविनिग्रहः इन्द्रियार्थेषु वैराग्यम् अनहङ्कार एव च जन्म मृत्युजरा व्याधि दुःखदोषानुदर्शनम् असक्तिरनभिष्वङ्गः पुत्रदारगृहादिषु नित्यं च समचित्तत्वम् इष्टानिष्टोपपत्तिषु यत्र योगेश्वरः कृष्णः यत्र पार्थो धनुर्धरः तत्र श्रीर्विजयो भूतिः ध्रुवा नीतिर्मतिर्मम। सर्वेभ्यः हृत्पूर्वक नमस्काराः. Thank you very much for attending, and thanks to all our panelists also, Chitra Bhagini, Neha Bhagini, Priyadarshini Bhagini, Rama Bhagini and Suvarna Bhagini. Some of you have sent me now in the question section that you did not get a chance to chant. Like I said, I had made a note of those who had sent me an email during the course of last week. So if you have still not chanted or you want to chant again, please send me an email so that I will get to know during the week and make a note. And also send me the name in which you have registered. If you send me with a different email ID and a different name here, I wouldn't know. And those who did not get a chance, we will try and accommodate you in the next class, but we will be chanting the 13th chapter itself. So Usha Vishwanathan Bhagini noted. So I will give you a chance next class. And similarly, those who have already chanted and want to chant again, you can also raise your hand in the next class. But like I said, I would prefer to call out those who have not chanted at all in the past 2 weeks so that everyone gets a chance to chant. So let us conclude with Shanti Mantraha. Sarve bhavantu sukhinah, सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः, सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु, मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। धन्यवादाः। आगामि शनिवासरे पुनर्मिलामः. Let us meet again coming Saturday at the same time. Dhanyavadaha. Ram Ram Ram.